Hate speech is any kind of communication in speech, writing, or behavior that attacks or uses pejorative or discriminatory language with reference to a person or a group on the basis of who they are, that is, based on their religion, ethnicity, nationality, race, color, descent, gender, or other identity factors. The advent of social media and increased accessibility to the world of technology and information has amplified forms of free and unfiltered opinions about people and events. But just like a two-edged sword, the words posted and shared on the media have the power to create and destroy. As is said, the internet never forgets. So why would we use the power of speech and social media to destroy each other? Why would we decide to see our brothers and sisters as less human? Just like the genocide that occurred in Rwanda in 1994, most of the crises we witness today in countries are due to hate speech. A good example is a crisis we currently have in some parts of Cameroon, which was ignited and is being maintained by hate speech. And it has led to depression, discrimination, refugees, abuse, including violence, but also social and economic collapse. Hate speech is not an isolated phenomenon or limited to extreme groups. When it enters into everyday discussions, so much that it becomes normalized, democracy and peace become threatened. It is therefore imperative that we address this issue, especially by teaching the importance of peace and love to our younger generation, using the same route used to propagate this evil, which is social media. This will require being conscious of the dangers of hate speech and the permanent scars words create. As it is said, words have the ability to create and destroy. Let us learn to sow seeds of life and not of death for a safer and better Cameroon.